most of Russians are craving for this white sand.
You're happy today. Okay, do you know my name? Not yet. You know my name, right? What's my name?
Вот так вот нормально. Да?
Mm-hmm. You see, guys, he has Russian eyes and I have Filipino eyes. Good morning, my friends. Maganda umaga, mayang buntag. I want to ask you to teach me something more in your language. For example, how are you? How to ask how are you? I know kamusta, local people teach me this. So I think this is Bisaya, but I'm not sure because people in Samau tells buko, but buko is Tagalog, and they don't use Bisaya word for young coconut. And tell me please how to say how are you in Tagalog and Bisaya. I will learn some local dialects, even if it will be slowly, but it would be interesting for me and it would be easy to remember. This is Angel.
Hi.
Hi. She came here to our Russian village to study Misha and Kostya. They will have English lesson now after they eat. So Angel, how many degrees for you? It's too hot. No, it's okay. This weather.
I think it's okay for now, but maybe a little higher, it will be too hot. So
Yeah.
maybe
in March.
27 degrees, it's okay.
Oh yeah.
But if it's like 30 plus, it's hot.
Yeah. So you use aircon. Yeah.
Not really, just fresh air. It's okay, fresh air.
And fan.
Mhm.
Yeah, for me, Filipino climate is perfect. Always perfect.
Because it's cold in Russia.
Yes. Oh, you can play
No,
guitar?
I can
Just
play
check.
the ukulele, but the guitar, no, not really.
This is the place where they are studying.
Oh, this is Misha. Look at your hair, it's yellow.
It's a nice place, very silent and with fresh air. Now we have one more student. Misha and Gela will study together.
Are you... What's that? Hi. Okay. Are you happy? Or are you sad today? Okay, Misha is happy. Okay, you're happy today. Okay, do you know my name? Not yet. You know my name, right? What's my name? What's my name?
Как ее зовут?
Can you remember?
Я
my
знаю, я не помню.
name? Huh? Can you remember my name?
So there are some changes in English lessons. Before our kids were studying at our friend's house, and now we decided to separate the kids. Our friends study their home, and Angel, the tutor, the teacher, comes to our place, Russian village. So one more kid, girl, joined Misha, so now they will study together. And Kostya, my youngest son, will study separate because he's 2 years younger than Misha and Angelina. So the tutor name is Angel, and this girl name, 9 years as Misha, her name is Angelina. So Angel and Angelina, almost same name. So I hope they will study fine and will know some English soon and will be able to speak English. Because now Misha doesn't know any English, just few words, and cannot speak like full phrases. Wow, students coming back.
Только ползанятия прошло.
Oh, Misha says time was Time passed too fast. He thought it's only half of the lesson, but already one lesson finished because it was interesting. Time flies when it's interesting. Геля, как занятия?
Хорошо.
How was your lesson? Nice, yeah. Хорошо means good in Russian.
И с тобой
Now
так
it's
же,
turn
Миш.
to Kostya. Let's go and study.
Hello.
Lanka, Nanka and Kostya. This is what I'm having for lunch. Chopseuy. It's vegetable chopseuy, but here chicken or beef. And rice, white and yellow turmeric rice mixed with egg. And this is my lunch.
Можно на коленку сесть?
Ну, не хотелось бы. Ну, можешь, ладно.
Вот так вот нормально. Да?
Угу. Very healthy
Ой,
lunch with
мам, можно
Kostya.
тоже ложку дать?
You want spoon?
Для
Okay, here is your spoon. Kostya, you already eat chopseuy, the sauce of chopseuy. This simple food, but so delicious.
Эй, мне еще оставь.
He said, left for me, mama. You know, it was a problem to feed kids when we were in India and in Thailand because so many spicy food there. And now I'm happy that we don't have this problem here in the Philippines
Уроки не доделали.
because mostly the food here is not spicy, simple and delicious.
Мама, уроки не доделали. Картофель. Можно в следующий раз именно такой бульон делать?
Kostya said, please make next time this sauce because he likes it. It's a little bit sour, maybe with sugar, vinegar.
Мама, это ты купила? Арис такой сделала. Ай, это что?
Meat, chicken with bones. So when I don't have time to cook, I can buy almost any food and my kids will eat this and enjoy. I'm enjoying my day. One of my amazing Filipino days. You've been asking about my kids, about school. Misha, my eldest son, finished grade 2. And my youngest son, Kostya, he just turned 7 this month, so he didn't go to school yet. And now they're practicing English with Filipino teacher. Now she comes to our Russian village and teach our kids. And new school year in the Philippines starts in the end of July. I think, as I remember, it's 29 of July, and I really hope Misha and Kostya can study there. I don't know if it's okay with Russian documents, if they will accept them and allow to go not to kindergarten but to grade 1 and grade 3. So I would be so happy if my kids would study in public school in the Philippines. That would be a really good experience for them. This scent is like a flour for cooking, for baking. So small. I love it so much. It's what I was dreaming about when I lived in Russia. You know, I think most of Russians are craving for this white sand and this warm sea, tropical climate, tropical fruits, coconut trees around, smiley people. Because we were born in cold country and we didn't have this all for many years. Now it's possible to live like this, like you Filipinos. You come to swim?
No.
No?
I'm just looked what it was happening in Kaputian.
And
And
what
it is
happened
a
there?
boxing championship.
She?
Championship.
Championship.
Yeah, but it is the children. That's why I cannot make a video because YouTube doesn't allow to show children fights. That's why. And when I came, it was already finished, so I didn't see.
So now children fighting?
Already fighted.
Ah,
Yes.
so it's finished.
Yeah,
Okay.
Children's boxing championship.
Okay. Let's go with us to swim.
No, I don't want.
No. So Sergey is not fan of swimming.
No. I'm a fan of speaking with Filipinos.
Oh yes.
Yeah, for me it's more exciting and joy to speak with the locals than swimming. I swim all my life, you know. I can swim
Yeah? All
anywhere,
your life?
but with the Filipinos, I can speak only here in the Philippines. So instead of swimming, I prefer to speak with the Philippines. Hello. So if you want to see how I communicate with the Filipinos, just subscribe to my channel. The link to my channel is below. Valentina, please leave.
Okay. So maybe you speak to these two girls and buy ubi ice cream.
I don't
20
know.
peso only. Ubi ice cream. This ubi is like beetroot. Like
Yes.
yes.
Hello. Very cute girl. Can I ask for like ubi ice cream? Ubi, yes.
20 peso only.
20 peso only. Very good price.
Yes, and very good ice cream.
Where you find milk here in the Philippines? I know that there is no milk.
Milk?
Yes, milk.
No, in Philippines.
This is the cow milk, right?
No.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, coconut.
Ah, coconut milk. Yes. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
So
let's
try
try
this.
this ubi ice cream. Mm. This is the best ubi ice cream I ever tried.
But you
But-
tried ubi ice cream before?
No,
But why are you telling this?
this is the best I ever tried ubi. My first is the best.
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Okay. I remember you already tried ubi ice cream
Where?
in Bohol,
Oh, Bohol.
Bee Farms.
Coconut
Remember?
taste. Taste of coconut milk.
And ubi.
No, I feel coconut. Coconut milk taste.
It makes this ice
is a
cream
sweet.
milky.
It's like a bounty. Bounty. In Russia, we make ice cream from the cow milk because we don't have coconut milk, but we have many cows and cow's milk
And no coconuts.
and no coconuts. Yes.
Can you say what is the most popular ice cream in Russia? What flavor?
I like regular white. White, we call it plombyr. It's like a white vanilla ice cream. The regular, for me, it's also the best. I don't really like chocolate ice cream. It is also very popular in Russia. Also, we have like
Strawberry, yeah? Strawberry ice cream.
strawberry
But
and
not
different
much.
tastes. I don't like. I like caramel ice cream also.
Caramel.
Yeah. Caramel. Also, many.
I love your hair today, by the way.
Thank you very much. You know, yesterday I uploaded a video. You can show on my YouTube channel. You can find it like Friendly Russian Sergey. Yesterday, like Filipino girl told me that I have a beautiful blue eyes.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I uploaded this video so you can
Look
show.
at his eyes.
Yeah. Usually Filipino girls are shy of me. I don't know why.
And I have Filipino color eyes. Brown.
Who?
I. My eyes like a Filipino eyes.
Ah.
It's
Wait.
great. It's brown.
What color of my eyes? Blue. She said that gray.
No, it's blue plus gray mixed.
Mm.
I think not totally gray.
One more, please. Very good ice cream. While she's making another ice cream for me, please subscribe to my channel. The link is below, Valentina.
In description below.
Don't forget, please, in the description and in the comment. So you will find more content how I speak with the locals. You know, my last channel's name was Afam Sergey, but my subscribers told me that I'm very friendly. That's why they recommended me to change the vlog name. Thank you very much. To Friendly Russian Sergey. By the way, one of the latest video, I visited Bankirohan market in Davao, and I tried dinguan, the pork blood dish.
Pork blood?
How they call dinaguan. The dinaguan, pork blood.
Oh my god.
Dinaguan, it is a Filipino dish with the pork blood.
Oh my god, did you like it?
I tried it. It's not so bad as I expected. It's pretty good. But my reaction before I tried it was very, you know, like, this is the blood of pig. You can also see this video. It's already uploaded.
I want to try this too, but I'm afraid.
Blood, yeah. Pig's blood with spices. Yeah, it's like a very brown mass.
Oh my god.
Some guys are like drunk butchers gave me this one. I drank Red Horse with them. They are butchers on the market. They like cut animals. Yes, and they suggested me this one because they eat it every day. So I drink a little bit Red Horse with them, and then tried this dinaguan.
I want to try this too.
Yeah. Very good ice cream. How many ice creams per day you sell? Yeah, one day. How many pieces of ice cream you sell per day? 200 pieces a day? 1, 2, 3, 200? 100 plus every day. Every day, more than 100 ice creams. Wow.
Maybe 200 ice creams.
Wow. The man in a Bankirohan market, do you know, Valentina, who peel and clean garlic? Do you know, is it available on Bankirohan? Peeled garlic, already peeled. And I met the guy who did it. And I asked him how many kilos a day you peel the garlic.
And how many?
20 kilos a day, every day. Yes.
My fingers would be paralyzed if I
but
do this.
He was
too
so
much.
relaxed and just peeling all day, every day, 20 kilos, you know.
Very hard work.
600 kilos every month. He just peel, and just so relaxed. I don't know how he does it. Very good ice cream.
And very nice hair today.
Very good. Really. Oh, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel.
They don't forget, believe me.
Yeah?
They will not forget.
Not forget?
Yes, believe me.
Okay. I hope, Valentina, will not forget to put my link below in the description. So, guys, it was very nice to speak with you. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I need to go to make more content for my channel because
Where will you go?
almost every day I do it. I don't know. I just will go and make some content for my
Just around
for my
Kapusyan?
subscribers. Yeah, something interesting. So
Okay, okay.
oh, by the way,
You see, guys, he has Russian eyes and I have Filipino eyes. Brown eyes and blue eyes. What eyes you like more?